King news, my lovely, wonderful people. Yes, so it's happening now. Inec explains kick against tender own documents against Tinubu's, election. So Labour Party was in court today, and so as matters were going on, they needed to present their evidence to show that indeed their candidate Peter Obi won. And so the legal team came up and presented one of the exhibits they have, which is a document that they have obtained from Inec. And this document is from Inec. That is with all the, what has happened, in terms of all that has gone on. And so this document is from Inec. So they went ahead and they presented the document. Guess what? When the matter started, Inec was the first people to object, saying that they cannot use the same matters that they brought to the court as evidence. People were surprised, saying, Inec, is everything all right? It does not seem you are the people that are talking. Or is it the same you guys? Because you guys are the ones that said Labour Party did not pay. Labour Party did not pay, and they did not pay for the document to be given to them. Labour Party has now paid. The document has now been given to them. They have presented this as an exhibit, having gotten their expert to work on some of the matters. And now you guys are angry that they present the same document. Excuse me. On what side are you really standing? Because it seems very much like you are neither here nor there. Okay, it seems very much like you are neither here nor there. We don't get it. Which side exactly are you standing in all of this? So that was the drama that happened in court today. And so they are trying to explain why they objected to their very own documents. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Inec explained kicking against tender own documents against Tinubu's election. The Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, has shed light on why it kicked against the tendering of its document as exhibit by the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, to establish his petition against the election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The electoral body had on Thursday, vehemently objected to the admission of several documents brought to the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, PEPC, by Obi and Labour Party for the purpose of tendering them an exhibit to justify the petition. However, at Friday proceedings, Inec lawyer Kemi San told the court that the electoral body kicked against the tendering of certificate true copy of the document, mainly election result sheets, because Obi and Labour Party did not challenge the conduct of the election in the areas relating to the documents they have presented. They further went on to explain that issues were not joined in the local government area where the result sheets were tendered, adding that it was wrong for the petition to go ahead beyond the area of where the election petition is being disputed in courts. If they had not highlighted any other state, they should not use that state as a yardstick because they never tendered it in the first place. That means they agreed with all the results that came from the other states. He accused Obi of trying to confuse issues by bringing result sheets from where he did not put out a dispute with regards to what INEC has done, the election, and returns additional presidential candidates sought to guide himself with proceedings on the petition. According to INEC, the local government area unlawfully smuggled into proceedings of the court are totally strange to the petition and cannot stand in the face of the law. INEC explanation offered to the judge. Lawyers were ordered to make an appearance, however, draw the anger of the preceding justice of the court, Justice Haruna. Justice Haruna heard that it was wrong of INEC lawyer to have tried to struggle with their explanation into proceedings because all parties in the petition has argued to offer such explanation to addressing stages of the proceedings. He offered in return apologized to the court, but said that he was forced to speak up on objection because the issues of critical of the issue is critically suffering and causing the court to lag behind in proceeding. So this is what happened today that you and I can see. This one they happen right now in court. So Labour Party can come up, they can't present to the court. Now be Labour Party, Labour Party can present to the court, say, well, see, here we are. These are the election that was conducted. This is the result INEC announced to the general public, but I haven't gone through beavers. This is what we've obtained. Now, so now INEC, not be small vessel. You when you see the vessel, you go say, sure, it passed, you say, go, they say, is there something, is there more to it? You go ask yourself. Then are you asking yourself, we made mistake here. What exactly did we do? You go to ask yourself, say, is something wrong? Not be smart happen today for court. Not be smart, Because they look, they suspect INEC. Now you present, now you call us, now you go out, now you tell them, say, no, they happy, you not get problem. They should go and contest it in court. Because say, okay, yes, we will do just that. They call go court. Yes, agreed. Now be smart, they can't enter court. Now INEC now they try to explain why they object to their very own materials being presented. They say, well, say, Peter Obi not talk those states before. Okay? Peter Obi not talk those parts before. When we say against the this Yanana, they present our court. We call it a surprise. He say Nana, they present her for court. He say the state when he talk about make it stick to those states. If you not mention any other state, now be say he was happy with the results. But now trying to go around to say and this and that say it's terrible. So if they feel that there is need to present matters, they are saying no. You must only stick to the one where you don't talk. The one you not talk, so leave her like that. We surprised though. It is shock you too, Abi. Now so. Everybody, now shockers they since so. Shockers now they the air. What they call the one that say, what's wrong with INEC? Is there more to it that we should know? Is there more to it? That's not be smarty happen to deal. Not be smarting. Not be smarting, no. Not be smarting. So that's where we are all at. We're trying to understand it. We're trying to, we're trying to give, meaning some of the things that happened today in court. We're trying very much to understand it. So my lovely, wonderful people, it is important that we get on with this and get this nation settled because some persons are trying their hardest best possible to ensure, okay, that they, do everything humanly speaking possible to divert attention, okay? That's what they are doing right now. That's what they are doing right now. And it is important that we understand it. It is important. We need to, we need to get on. Leave us a comment. God bless. Bye for now.